you've been with DAW Nation for so long, I've been listening to episodes, taking courses, and the one that I feel like you have a lot of roots in and that has provided a lot of benefit to you is the Cryo Masterclass, which is the primary thing that we talked about in the last episode. For those who don't know what it is, can you give it like a 30-minute, wow. Can you do a 3-hour spill? Can you do like a 30-second, spill of what the Cryo Masterclass is, what it was for you, how it helped you, so on and so forth? Could you do that for us?
Yes, absolutely. So like the Cryo Masterclass teaches a creative system that involves a inspiration phase, a creation phase, and a finishing phase. So it takes course over it's 60 days of like working on music and finishing music, and then there's like 2 weeks before getting inspiration. And the idea is to like guarantee you to make your best work within a given amount of time, and like to always be inspired no matter where you are at in life, to give yourself a space to gather inspiration and then have like a space to create like without any judgment and with like a lot of space, creative space to work with. And it's been the system I've been working with ever since I heard about it. So it was like I remember I watched it like shortly after like the first COVID times, and I've been sticking to it ever since then. It's been I just looked it up. I just recently finished my 7th creation. I like to call them creation phases, honestly. I don't know like how Cryo calls them, but it's been my 7th 30-day challenge, so to say. But I like to call them creation phases because like I've been switching between like the amount of days I've been doing. So the last one was actually 40 days. Yeah, I've been sticking to like the main idea of this concept. I've been changing like tiny things, trying out new things. Even you guys suggest that in the system, but there's been like such a huge influence on what I'm doing, and it's been absolutely amazing influence at that.
Dude, that's incredible, because I know the last time we talked, you were mentioning that you doing this system to help you with your creativity, creating songs consistently and stuff like that it really helped. And that was 3 years ago. So to hear now, 3 years later, you're still using it, you're still applying it, and it's helping you so much. That's just incredible. And I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you for all the growth that you had. DAW Nation, listen very closely. This is not the end to this content. This was a teeny tiny little snippet from our full episode. You can check out the full episode in the link in the description. And when you go to the free episode, you can get a free pack over there. So go check it out right now. Why are you still here? Get out of here. Go check it out. We'll see you over there.